Hello everybody, this is Lisa and Timothy with the Home Hunters, and today we're showing you two properties. The first one here is located at 1608 Pine Street in Harper, Kansas. It's listed at $79,500. It has 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and 960 square feet. It has new windows, siding, roof, and central heat and air. Kitchen has updated cabinets and cells with appliances. The property sells with 5 city lots. So we don't know how big the lots are, but we do know that there's 5 of them. It's been on the market for 30 days and was listed by Brandon Gerber, 620-842-2326. Now let's look at the photos of this house here. It has a 1-car carport right here on the side. Big tree in the front yard here. You can see that metal roof too. Everything looks new.
So you pull it from the back instead of the front, like a normal house would do.
It looks like it to me, yeah, based on this front doors over here. So
Yeah.
We'll see on the street view better later.
It's actually pretty cool pulling it from the back.
It is kind of cool, yeah. It's different.
Mm-hmm.
Here's your main kitchen area.
It's nice.
Yeah,
It's
nice
got a little
window.
nook over there.
Yeah, a little breakfast nook over here.
Yeah,
A lot of
light.
windows.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of windows. And we have vinyl flooring here, and we do have some little lights up here. What are these called?
Can lights.
Can lights, and there's fluorescent up here too.
Called can lights, and then there's an electric stove.
Which,
Always have to say what kind of stove it is, because some people like gas.
Yeah, stove, refrigerator, microwave. It comes with all of those. I don't see a dishwasher anywhere.
So look, you enter into the home, and there's your kitchen right there.
That's right, yeah. So this is like the living area over here, and the kitchen is to the right once you enter.
So you've got some outlets over there, and your
on your wall here, the bar wall here.
On your switches.
Yeah, and switches. Yeah. And I do want to point out that there's a pantry over here by the refrigerator. Now this would be like a second living area, or possibly even a dining room, right here. It does have some sliding glass doors that lead back into your backyard. Here's the main living area with hardwood flooring, and the front door is right here. This photo was taken from the kitchen. And here's one of your bedrooms. It's very nice.
Nice painting.
I like the painting a lot, yeah. And the doors are nice too.
I like the doors too, and the ceiling fan looks pretty new. And the floors are nice also.
This house is like fully renovated. Hallway with some storage in here. Secondary bedroom. There's the windows on the side of the house. Remember, these are new windows. There's a new air conditioner right here. Is that a train, possibly? I can't read the label. Okay, well, let's see where this property is located. It is in Harper, Kansas, which is just southwest of Wichita and east of Dodge City, and pretty far north of Oklahoma City and southwest of Kansas City. Here's our street view.
I'm assuming that that's the lots it comes with.
This over here, probably. Yeah, probably.
Yeah, it said 5 city lots.
Yeah. Across the street. Some of your neighbors.
Not bad. I mean.
Yeah. And also, you do have an entryway in the front part, but you also have one, like a little, like, loop-de-doo over here. I don't know what it's called, circle.
Yeah.
Where they go
circular
around
drive.
Way. Yeah, circular drive. Yep, it's a circle. Yeah, they drive all on this land, so it definitely comes with this.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. And let's see what's down here. Is this theirs too? I wonder. 5 city lots. I mean, this is all. There's no house here.
Yeah.
This might be yours too. You'd have to talk to the listing agent about that. Find out if that's yours or
Yeah.
not. Okay, now let's move on to the second house here.
Okay, this one is in Girard, Kansas, 109 Northwestern. 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, and it's got 1,659 square feet, and it's on almost half an acre. It was built in 1940. It's 4 bedroom, 2 bath, fresh exterior paint, new electrical service, vinyl windows, new gutters, and new shingles. Foundation has been tuck pointed. It's got new trim and carpentry, updated light fixtures, and new flooring throughout. It's a corner lot with mature trees, partial wood privacy fencing, and a covered porch on 2 sides. It's been on the market 173 days, and the listing agent is Andy Remington. His number is 417 667 7868.
Now we can look at the photos of it. Very nice looking house from the outside.
I love how white it is.
Me too, yeah.
It's just so clean and white. Usually, they've got like dirt on them or mildew or mold or something. This is really pretty.
Looks flawless.
This is so beautiful.
It's flawless.
It looks like a dollhouse. That's what it looks like, a dollhouse.
It does look like a dollhouse, yeah.
Just imagine like some rose bushes in front or some flowers along that white area right there.
There's already flower beds right here and over here, ready to go.
It needs to be bigger though, so that you can really see it.
Yeah.
Not so that it covers the window, but
put bright truffle flowers in here. That would look nice.
Yeah.
And then they would go with that white house. It would look really nice.
Lantana would look good there, trailing lantana.
Yeah.
And maybe some hydrangeas or something that don't grow that tall.
Yeah. You have a front porch here and a side porch. So nice. And here's your side porch over here. So
I love the side porch too.
Lots of space. Lots of space out here. Very nice. Here's your backyard. It has a 6-foot fence out here.
Ooh, that's a nice yard.
It's very nice, yeah. Nice backyard. I mean, perfect space for a dog, wouldn't you say? Perfect space for a dog to roam around out there.
Room for a garden back there also.
Yeah, there is, yeah. And here is your dining area with some built-ins right here. It's got some laminate flooring throughout the kitchen and the dining area. I like these doors back here too.
I love that door.
All glass doors, yeah.
Looks like a French door.
And here's the main living area here. Got a lot of wood framework around the windows here. Adds a lot of character.
It does.
It also has laminate flooring in this room. And here's one of your bedrooms, which just needs some paint in here. Everything else looks to be done.
That way you get to paint it what you want it.
That's true, yeah.
To look like. This one too.
Yep. Second bedroom here. There's lots of windows in this room.
Looks like pretty new carpeting, if not new.
Yeah, exactly. And the other bedroom had laminate flooring. This room has carpet. And their third bedroom here, also with carpet. And unfortunately, it doesn't show the fourth bedroom in the photos. And here's the utility room, also with laminate flooring. Nice, clean utility room. Even the water heater looks all nice and clean. A lot of time water heaters get dirty, dusty.
Yeah.
But this one doesn't look like that.
Yeah.
Here's one of your bathrooms here. This one's fully renovated. And your second bathroom here.
That's unusual to have that big window in the bathroom like that, isn't it?
I'm guessing this is storage area right here. It's interesting.
Like a linen closet?
Yeah.
Looks like there's storage above it also. You see, it looks like there's cabinets up there.
Oh yeah, I see those. Yeah, they're above the tub. Now let's see where this property is located. It is in Girard, Kansas, which is in the southeast part of Kansas here, and it's south of Kansas City, and it is northeast of Tulsa, Oklahoma, and west of Springfield. close to Independence and Parsons over here. Now let's look at street view. Here it is right here. Look out, some nice trees in front of it. Nice land around you. This would be your driveway here.
I like this because there's nobody beside you
Mm-hmm.
on that one side, and
Yeah.
it's got all the trees, and it's got sidewalks.
Mm-hmm. This would be your neighbor on this side here. And then the other side, yeah, it's just an empty lot. Across the street from you, there's actually, I think this might be church property right here. And then there's the main church right over here.
What church is this?
It is St. Michael's Catholic Church. And judging by this house, just the positioning of it looks like a church property. And also, I think it has a cross on it. Yeah, it has a cross on it. So it's church property.
Yeah.
So you got a church right across the street from you. Catholic Church. It's pretty cool. Okay, everybody, that will do it for us today. Thank you for watching this video, and remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel to help support what we do here. We bring these videos to you every day, and remember to stay tuned for more videos like these. Have a nice day, everybody.